Hello guys. Today in this video, we will discuss Chase CD rates for 6-month, 9-month, 12-month and 14-month terms. We'll also cover important details like fees, early withdrawal penalties, grace periods, pros and cons, and even calculate how much money you'll earn after depositing $1,000. So, let's get started. Chase Standard and Relationship CD Rates. Chase Standard CD rates and Relationship CD rates are shown on your screen. Feel free to pause the video or take a screenshot. Standard CD rates are available to anyone with a minimum deposit of $1,000. This is typical for most banks, though minimum deposits at other banks may range from $0 to $10,000. Relationship rates are available for customers with a Chase checking account linked to their Chase CD. These rates are generally higher, especially for larger deposits. Chase CDS Key Details. You'll also see more Chase CD details on your screen now. Here are the highlights. Minimum deposit $1,000. Range of CD terms. Chase offers CDs with terms from 1 month to 5 years, so there's something for everyone. Early withdrawal penalties. For CDs under 6 months, 90 days till the 3 months, interest. For CDs from 6 to 23 months, 180 days till the 6 months, interest. For CDs over 2 years, 1 year of interest. Grace period for Chase CDs. Once your CD matures, Chase offers a 10-day grace period. During this time, you can withdraw your funds, deposit more money, or roll over into a new CD without penalties. However, if you don't act within this window, your CD will automatically renew, and you'll have to wait until the next maturity period to make changes. Pros and cons of Chase CDs. Now let's look at the pros and cons of Chase CDs to help you decide if they're right for you. Pros explained. Competitive rates. Chase offers attractive rates, with some CDs going as high as 5.0%. Flexible terms. You can choose CD terms from as short as 1 month to as long as 5 years. Cons explained. Higher rates elsewhere. While Chase offers competitive rates, you may find better options at other banks. High minimum deposit. The $1,000 minimum deposit is on the higher side compared to other institutions that may offer lower minimums. Let's calculate how much money you'll earn by depositing $1,000 in a Chase CD with a 3.00% annual percentage yield APY. For a 6-month CD at 3.00% APY, you'll earn approximately $15 in interest. For a 12-month CD at 3.00% APY, you'll earn $30. For a 14-month CD at 3.00% APY, your total interest will be about $35. Thanks for watching this video.